This is my fire stove. It's a 50 cal ammo can with a hole in the front here and skewers up top for a grill. We can add fuel here. It's almost ready to cook on. Let that burn just a little bit. And you can see the holes down at the bottom to let in air and everything. So over here I have my water from my Czech mess kit. Put that on there. Maybe a little bit further over. There we go. Pretty soon that should start heating up. And that'll keep hot for hours. And you can grill on it too. Works pretty dang well, I should say. The best part about this too is when you're done, you can put the skewers inside, you can put fuel inside, pack it with matches and everything, and take it with you for when you need a fire next time.